And right now I'm cracking my eggs, so I'm gonna do it fancy. So, not very fancy actually. Now I'm gonna put my egg there. No, crack. That's my mom.
Oh, I'm in the video now. Sorry.
That's okay.
I was giving her the compost.
Yeah, she has a compost and she makes it so whenever we have eggshells, we have to put them in there.
You don't have to. Yeah.
She's a weirdo. Okay. So am I. That's where I get my freakness from. I think I missed. Nope. This is why I suck at cracking eggs. I try and make it look good, but I actually make it look disgusting. Well, you know, it's pre-scrambled now because that happened. So BRB, actually. I'm going to try and pause this without ruining my phone. Okay, I have all of this now. So I'm going to start whipping my eggs with this bad boy. I'm not going to record this because it's really, really loud. But I think, yeah, it's really loud. So, BRB. By the way, I washed my hands, so it's not covered in eggs. So we're in the process of creaming our eggs under butter, but it's not working out so well because I told you, you gotta let your butter soften. We did not, so it looks very chunky. And we just don't want chunks of butter in our cake. That'd be nasty. So I'll update you if I fix that. So since I just creamed, usually you're supposed to add a teaspoon and a half, but since this is the main flavor source, sorry about that, this is what making it so we can taste flavor in our cake. This is probably gonna be split into 3 videos. 2 of me baking the cake, and then 1 of me decorating it. So yeah, so add the tea. Let me measure this out and I'll show you me pouring it. I forgot to show you me pouring it, sorry about that. But basically I just took a tablespoon of both of these. By the way, I did not know mint extract was clear. That's crazy. I did not know that. So be right back, I need to mix this into the batter. Okay, so I just mixed in my milk, butter stuff with the extracts, the flavors. Sorry, I'm very stupid. I don't remember stuff. I'm smart, but just never mind. Let's not get on that subject. So now I'm gonna mix these together. Well, not them together. I'm mixing. So you gotta make sure your dry ingredients are mixed evenly to make a good cake. So I'll be your BRB while I go mix that. Actually, I decided I want to show you. So you gotta stir it nice and get them nice and mixed. So now I'm gonna alternate adding my dry to the wet right now. So, and I'm gonna get this out of here because it's making it very hard to do all this. Sorry, my phone's on a charger right now because it was about to die. BRB while I get this out of here. So I got the wire out of here. So now I'm gonna alternate putting my dry with my wet. Now add a little wet. We'll add a little dry. Not all of it. Mix that. Gotta mix it great and even. Make it nice and doughy looking. I have extra chunks of butter. I didn't be able to fix the thing where I didn't let it cool. So hopefully that will melt in the oven while it's baking. I don't know. Now we're gonna add my milk. Well, not all of it, just some of it. Now mix that in. Keep mixing. That's my mom playing the ukulele in the background. Mix, mix, mix. Now we're gonna add some of the dry. Yet again, not all of it. You're gonna start with your dry and end with your dry. By the way, I've heard me say that a lot, so that's why I said that. You know, trying to be a wannabe. Trying to be a wannabe, what? I am a wannabe. I want to be a YouTuber star. Which will never happen, because probably my family members will be the only watching this. That's probably not true, neither will my brothers probably watch this. I'm very sad inside. Hi! So adding my milk. Keep checking the timer, how much time I have left, and I do not have much. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm an idiot.
No, don't talk about yourself like that.
There's my mom thinking.
I can't let her talk about herself like that without saying something. Everybody makes
this will go up your head.
Yeah.
Okay,
on.
so I forgot to add my sugar. Actually, my mom forgot to tell me to add the
Well, we're
sugar.
kind of doing this disjointedly. because
Actually-
I'm not baking. Okay.
So when you were mixing your eggs and your butter, you were supposed to add sugar. But I have to add it now. So this is the sugar. Bye. Okay, so I just added my sugar and it turned out, it looks kind of bread-like, but it's like cake now. Okay, so I'm going to show you me adding this evenly to my thing. That's my mom and my sister. She has a YouTube channel too, so you should go check her out. She's starting her YouTube channel recently. She has a few videos on there. So, yeah, I'm over here, sorry. I should probably bring the pots. Yeah. I'm gonna erase her. And that's my sister talking about a thing she just created. So, yeah. If you're hearing that, that's my sister. I'm gonna add the channel of this to it. Gonna make it look very nice. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so now we're gonna shake it. Perfect. This is perfect. You want it to go halfway. You see the darkness? That's perfect. So let's set that to the side. And let's do this one. Just can't see my face right now, which is probably good. Right now I'm just scooping the batter in with my hands because it doesn't want to go in. There's some scraped stuck on the side. Most of you probably think I'm nasty by going, "Ew, she's touching with her hands, and yes, I didn't wash my hands before this, and I don't care." Wow, cake batter. I think I didn't get enough, did I? That's my sister talking about her video. Okay, I think I did this right. Oh, not sure. Okay, so BRB, this is the end of the video right now, and I just recorded above 6 minutes, and I'm confused. Goodbye. There's gonna be another video for this where I'm decorating. Bye.